So everything that needed to be powder coating was powder coated. Everything that needs to be zinc plated was zinc plated. As I said to you yesterday, the motor runs well, no noises. So I just painted it, made it look pretty. As you can see, you've got spokes that have been zinc plated. There's new tires. There's new wheel bearings in both wheels. The shocks are good. When I say they're good, if I compress them and let them go without the springs, the plunger comes back up. If that doesn't happen, I throw them out. That seat has been recovered by an oak that knows what he's doing. It's the closest to the original. The spray painter that we use, as you can see, decent job. And the tank as well. Not a mark on it. Handlebars are new. Speedo and rev counter have been rebuilt by a well-known guy here in Benoni. He pretty much overhauls them and makes them brand new. The rubbers on the levers here and on the cables, they're new. The switch, I reconditioned them. We had our own stickers made. As you can see, it looks new. Indicators, I restore them in such a way that you think they're new. Same with the headlight. Believe it or not, that's a 45-year-old headlight. I always replace the front mudguards. So that's a brand new OEM mudguard. Those are new rubbers on the shocks. Not the shocks, the forks. And the seals have been done. These are some of these rims. When you get them, they corroded quite badly, as you will know. These were good. They've been polished up. On this particular one, I sprayed the fork ends. It's kind of the closest to the original. The original was a brushed aluminium. Just going back to the exhaust. That's that Cowley that I so desperately want to hold on to. It sounds awesome. Your neighbors won't like you if you buy this. It really makes a racket, but it's so lucky to ride when you hear that noise. Carb has been opened, cleaned up. Can't remember if I put a kit in this one or not. This bike starts pretty easy. It has from day one, for whatever reason. Here's a bit of the other side. The foot pegs are always worn out. I take them to an engineering shop. The guy bushes them, takes all the play out. There's new rubbers on there. Can't remember if this is a new back mudguard or not. It looks new because it's a little bit off-white. Obviously the bike's on the road. If you buy it, I will give you a roadworthy certificate. You can see I'm a bit going for space. Engine has been painted with a paint called VHT. Stands for very high temperature. It's an American product. Comes in an aerosol. Unfortunately, can't get the guy that imported it. Went out of business, and the new guys want to take it over with Trump's tariffs. Just can't afford. But the good news is you can see the finish. It doesn't chip. And more importantly, if you spill petrol on it, it doesn't go dull. Belly pan, panel beated. This one has been powder coated, so it looks brand new. Frame has been, it's 2K on the frame. Nowadays I use gun coating, but this was a nice job, also done by a professional. And yeah, as I say, I built this one for myself. Just to give you a rundown, that one, I won the 1000 bike show in 2024. This one I still need to do. This is the one I play with. It's non-standard. I've made it look the way I like it to look, and it's the one that I ride the most. And then I had a bike on show at one of our local shopping centres, and it was there for Father's Day for the whole week, and I've just fetched it now, and I've ridden it home in the rain, which was quite a pity, because this thing was, water's never touched it since I built it. And then this one won first prize in the 1000 bike show last year. And just to finish off, here's the bike I started last week in May, and I'm building this one for the 1000 bike show for this year. And then kind of give you an idea, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, and there's 2 other bikes that are built that I haven't put the photos up yet. Yeah,